Hey guys, so today we are doing another Dollar Tree haul, and today it's gonna be items that I picked up for DIYing or that I've personally used or I've thought of, or I'm also gonna give you some that I've seen online, so maybe it'll help you out some for the holiday season and kind of give you some ideas as well. Let's get started with these mop heads or pads, whatever you want to call them. You can use these for snow. You can actually wrap around like the tree or the wreath wiring. Actually the bigger wreath, wrap these around is really pretty. You'll just need more than two unless you do just the smaller one. And then I actually seen, I think it was Sarah Jane from what was it? It's Chic on the Cheap, and she uses this actually on her tree to make it look like snow, and I thought that was a brilliant idea because I use it for snow sometimes on certain things, but I've never thought to put it on a tree. What? I don't know why, I just thought that was the smartest thing. So anyways, I will say though, if you cut these, just be careful because these and the other white microfiber cloths, whatever, from the tool bench, they shed. You're gonna think it was snowing in your room. They shed that bad. So just a fair warning. Anyways, those are great for Christmas time. My next thing I got were these two just random ones I seen. They're like they don't have glass. Well, this one has glass. Sorry, I didn't realize. This one has glass in it and this one doesn't. So this one you can put like little the cobblestone figurines in here. You can paint it. Obviously, I wouldn't use that background. You can put scrapbook paper back there. This is all stuff I do on my DIY channel, but I at least want to give you the ideas in case you don't like to watch those kind of things, but you still want the ideas. But I liked the green on this one, so that's why I got this one, and then I'll probably just put some kind of scrapbook paper or wrapping paper back there. And you can always, like I said, put trees down here, anything like that. And then for the glass ones, with these, you can always pop off this back. You just have to be very careful how you pop it off. So you'll have to just kind of run a craft knife around there, pop it off. And then again, you can put anything down in here and it'll stay. But with the words, you can actually take a little scraper and scrape it off, and then you can paint this. So that's what I plan on doing with those, if I don't break it first. I then got this big snowflake ornament, but I don't think I'm gonna use it as an ornament. I'm gonna DIY it in some form or fashion. I hadn't completely decided, but it's on my DIY list. And then I got these, and I will say though, if you do not like glitter, do not pick these up. But I don't mind glitter, and I just thought they were extremely pretty. I wanted to use for DIYing. I loved the gold. It's just, oh, so cute. And then you got a silver one that's identical. And these you can easily take apart. You can fix them. Like, they're all kind of wadded up, but you can always fix them and flatten them out. But I just like to use these things for the little embellishments for the DIYs that I do. And then I thought this one was so pretty. It's a snow, but it has either, I don't think, actually it's just snow. The glitter that's on it, I can't remember if it came on it or if it came off of that one. You'll have to look on that because I don't actually know. I just put them in the same bag. I got these. They're just the pebble cobblestones. Yo, that glitter got everywhere. It threw me off my whole thing over here. I did not expect it. I got those pebbles. I picked up these actual bath salts, but not for what you think. Now, they are actually really pretty packaging for anybody that does like to do the bath, so that is a great gift basket idea. You could do these cute little pink and purple and just add some like loofahs, some lotion, anything like that. And they're by Crystal Waters. This one is rose scented, beautiful. It just says beautiful bath, soothing bath. And then this one is Good Night, and then it's lavender sandalwood scented. However, again, this is not what I got them for. I got these three things because one of my DIY videos, I am trying, if I have the time, I'm trying to do like I'm trying to do a candy theme. And I actually want to make rock candy with these and see how it goes. I don't know for sure that it'll work out, but I'm definitely gonna try it at least. I have in this bag, I got a couple of these wood, what are they called? Wallpapers. So they're peel-and sticks, but I like the Western like shiplap. I say Western shiplap, but I'm using it in some of my farmhouse type Christmas decor. So I got a few of those. And then I'm not sure if y'all have seen, I'm sure you have by this point, anybody use the doll houses for gingerbread houses? I've seen gingerbreads, but I've seen like, instead of just the brown ones, I've seen like fancy, like cute little white ones. I've also seen people use these for make candle holders out of them. But I'm probably gonna do a combination of both. So I always like to start off with like one thing of making it. Like I might make it a solid white house to go with like a winter wonderland, but then turn around and paint it brown and make it for a gingerbread. So I try to double up as many of my crafts as I can to kind of go with a couple of my videos to help myself out with that. I randomly got some pins. Forgot I got these. I don't know, I just like the colors, so I wanted to try them. They're ballpoint pens, 0.7. It's just smooth writing, so. I don't know, I just liked it. I like the color. And then another random thing is I got sunglasses. I always get my sunglasses at the Dollar Tree because they're cheap. I like the way they fit me. And I am not easy with my sunglasses. I am really rough with them. I kind of just throw them in a bag because I normally have like a little over-the-shoulder bag. So I kind of just put them in there. And the last time I had really nice, expensive glasses, as soon as I got on the river, because I had forgotten not to switch them out, as soon as I got on the river, they fell off. So I go with cheap at all times because I am clumsy. I got these. They're actually burner covers. So you get a large one and a small one. But I have quite a few DIYs in mind with this. I want to take this and somehow connect it to the top for a smaller snowman. Or I have some gingerbread DIYs in mind. You can always make a tiered tray out of these. I have used them to make a tiered tray, but I will say I still have it. I've had it for a couple years now, but it kind of gets like bent up and unsturdy after a little bit. So it kind of it's just flimsier than I'd like for a tiered tray. But if you don't have a lot of room and you have like a smaller kitchen or you have just a smaller area to decorate, a smaller tiered tray like that for $1.25 plus getting the candle holder to glue in between is perfect. It's a perfect little tiered tray and you don't have to buy a big one or one that's costly. Speaking of snowmen, gingerbread, I also got these for those reasons as well. So you would be surprised at the things that you can make with pizza pans And that is gonna be a whole DIY thing in itself, hopefully. I have a lot of ideas. It's just a matter of time on if I have enough time. If I've given myself enough time. I am running behind. Moving on, I got the clear deer. I love these little deer. They're just like the glass looking ones. They are great for Winter Wonderland. Just to like set up and decorate with. You can even paint these. I don't know if y'all have seen like a bunch of those gold deers going around, or the solid white, like the monotone ones. You could paint these and they would be so pretty. So pretty. Y'all, there are a lot of dupes to those high-end items out there. If you want me to make the video of where you could buy higher end items for a lower price, just let me know and I will definitely get on that. I got these two ornaments. I will say they are adorably cute. They look like the old like bottle cap style cuteness. They actually, this one, it fell off, but they have like a little, what is it? Like a little greenery and pine cone up here. I took it off. I needed it. I needed it for a DIY, so I took it off. And, but yeah. So this one fell off somewhere. I don't know, because I didn't take it off. I don't know where it is, but as long as you know that when you see these items, they do have the greenery on there. Y'all, then I found the cute soaps. The cute soaps! So I got this Christmas tree last year. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't remember if it's from the Dollar Tree, but I'm pretty sure it's the one. But for some reason, I was thinking it had like a white trim on it. Maybe that's a new one. I don't know. I had this one last year, but I found these three this year. I love the gingerbread. So cute. The Santa, he's a little scratched up, but he was the only one I could find. And he's already popped out. I will say though, check your bottles, because when it got thrown into my bag, the lid came off, hence why he's down. So I lost quite a bit because it spilt out everywhere, but that's okay because I did not like his scent. It was like a cinnamon something. I didn't think about them having actual scents, and I can't remember what the other ones are. I can't smell them too much because I'll get a headache, but just be careful and check your bottles. Then the last few items that I have, this one actually came from the plus section. It is a wood house. It might be considered, yeah, it's considered a birdhouse. You can make like the nice high-end ceramic houses with these. All you'll do is you'll want to mix up like white chalk paint and like a baking powder. If you mix that up, it gives it that thicker texture, and you can kind of lay it on there and have a ceramic house. And then you can even put your lights in there to light it up. That's not what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to cut this little thing off, and I am going to make a gingerbread house out of it, which if you haven't figured out by now, I'm sure you have by all my other videos and whatnot. My theme is gingerbread and Candyland. So that is what I've been doing, is collecting little things so I can DIY. The last two items I got is cellophane, and it's just to add to like making candies, like faux candy. So you just wrap these up there, you tie them off on the end, and then it gives it that candy look to it. And then I got this wrapping paper. I just thought it was pretty. I wanted to show you guys what was out there. I thought it was nice. It's 40 square feet. I wanted you guys to see it. So let me open it real quick, This I thought was a very pretty plaid. I don't know. It gives me like those, tell me if this is weird, but it reminds me of not the yellow pants in Clueless, but like any of the other plaid type pants that she wears, they wear in that movie. All right, that's gonna be it for me, guys. I really appreciate you sticking around and watching my crazy haul, and I hope you subscribe because I still have a lot more content coming. And thank you. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye. Oh yeah. I did the oh yeah. My fiance's from Wisconsin, and we were watching the Cowboy Packer game this weekend, and he was talking in his Wisconsin voice because he does not sound like he's from Wisconsin anymore. He definitely sounds like he is Texas, but he was talking in his voice. And when we talk to his family, we're just like, oh yeah, because that's what they say, and it's hilarious. And I just said it subconsciously. Anywho, but I'm gonna show you all that came off those trees. It's covered in here. But I got these Epsom salts that I'm glitter, but I'm not this much glitter. I don't like it to be all over me. But I got these. I'm still laughing at this. This is a mess, guys. This is a mess. Y'all just ignore the glitter. I don't know what to tell you. Don't get those if you don't like glitter, because it's everywhere. Spray them down as soon as you get home. Spray hairspray or clear sealant on it, because it's just everywhere. But I get on there, Shauna.